Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Charu's Knitting. Today I will show you how to make a rainbow granny square. First make a magic ring, then make chain 3, then make 3 double crochet, and after making 3 double crochet make 1 chain. Including chain 3 there will be 4 double crochet. After making 1 chain, then make 4 double crochet and make 1 chain. Repeat this process for more 2 times. Then there will be 4 corners. Don't forget to comment or suggest to make me more careful. Here I am using the red color. If you like my videos, then please give a like, because your one like is inspiration for me. Now I am at the finishing line of the first row. I will finish the row with a slip stitch into the chain 3. The process is 4 double crochet and 1 chain, 4 double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat the process for 4 times. Cut the thread and add the second color, the color orange, and make chain 3 first to start the second row. Then make 1 double crochet into the next chain. After making 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, then into the next chain make 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat this process till to the first corner. If you like my videos, don't forget to share it. I need more support. Into the corner make 2 double crochet. In the same page, in the first corner make first 2 double crochet, then make 2 chains, then into the same space make more 2 double crochet, then make 1 chain, then into the next chain make 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Till to the second corner. Repeat this process. In the second corner make 2 double crochet first, then make 2 chains, then into the same space make 2 more double crochet and 1 chain, then into the next chain make 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat this process till to the third corner. Into the third corner, repeat the process, make 2 double crochet, then 2 chains, then into the same space make 2 double crochet and 1 chain. In the next chain make 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat the process till to the fourth corner, and into the fourth corner. The same way make 2 double crochet, then 2 chains, then more 2 double crochet into the same space, then 1 chain, and I am the finishing point. Make a slip stitch on chain 3 and cut the thread. Then add the third color to start the third row. The third row is starting with color yellow. Make chain 3, same process. Into the next chain make 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Make this process till to the first corner. On the first corner make 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and into the same space make more 3 double crochet, then make chain 1. Into the next chains make 1 double crochet and 1 chains. Repeat this process till to the second corner. Into the second corner make 3 double crochet first, then make 2 chains, then make more 3 double crochet into the same space, then make chain 1. Then into the next chains make 1 double crochet and 1 chains till to the third corner. Now I am at the third corner. Repeat the process. Make 3 double crochet first, then make 2 chains, then make more 3 double crochet, then make chain 1. Then into the next chains make 1 double crochet, 1 chains till to the fourth corner. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Into the fourth corner repeat the process again. Make 3 double crochet and 2 chains and more 3 double crochets, then chain 1. Thank you friends to watch my videos and support me. Then into each chains make 1 double crochet and 1 chain, and in this row with a slip stitch in the chain 3. Next part will be published soon. This is the first part.